The worm has shared a message with me. The path to paradise is ready to be opened. We've fulfilled our sacred duty to spread our message far and wide. To defend our blessed ways from those who wish to challenge them. To enlighten the uninitiated. And bring them into the fold so that they may walk among us as equals. But our work is not done. For every good, there is evil. And although some have tried their best to thwart us, our success is inevitable. There are those who have lost their faith. But fear not! For all our sacrifices will soon pay off!
Whatever you need, my friend.
Hope One, this is Rover 2. The Seabird has landed. But I don't see no cultists.
Trust me, Dusty. They're there. Tala was a member of the Children of the Worm. She has confirmed that the cult is disguising the resort as a refugee camp and broadcasting its location to lure in unsuspecting victims.
Wait, you mean you're all walking into an ambush? Talk about a shitty resort vacation.
Don't worry. I know this place like the back of my hand. Just do what I tell you, and everything will be fine.
Why do I feel like a lamb being sent to the slaughter? And she's the slaughterhouse.
Look, if I wanted to kill you, I would have done it already. I'm just trying to make sure that no one else falls for the same trap that I did.
You'll have to excuse them, Tala. They've been fooled by the cult once before, so they're a bit on edge. But right now, we need to stay focused. Hope One out.
I'm ready! I thought there'd be a thing of too much attention. Then it's stay in your hole. gotta plant the C4 inside the houses!
It's a shame we have to blow this place up. I could use a vacation from Philip. I swear that man's a giant talking ulcer. my bad side?
I bet this place was freaking magical during the holidays.
Want a bite? There's leftovers.
Press on now. Time for backslapping when we're all back at home. Leftovers here!
Leftovers here!
See that? Ooh, shiny! Reloading! No leftovers yonder! Reloading!
What's up with that?
Lucky copper!
Over there.
Nice!
Hey, no shoes on in my cottage. Leftovers! They're high in nutrients.
I owe you one. Thanks, man.
This place is rigged to blow. Time to ring the dinner bell.
Robert,
Cover me! Reloading!
the houses aren't exploding. Why aren't they exploding? Who set the timer? Did I set the timer? Man, why didn't you guys let me set the timer?
Hey, just wanted to let you know that I extended the timers on the C4.
What? I knew it. That worm girl's more shifty than a fox.
I did it so we could lure in more cultists. Trust me, you'll thank me later.
No need for a diagnosis there. Careful! Sniper!
Those houses are about to blow. Everybody, back up! It's good time for you today. Reloading! It's all over me! Oh, shit! Talk about a close one.
Guns won't do you much good. Don't make me take that away from you.
Sorry! Today's my lucky day. Which is good because it's shitty.
Fucking this whole place up! That's our cabin's power! Let's go! Don't attack that snitcher.
I may look bad, but
Over there?
Damn fool luck is what it is. But I'll take it. Well, lucky me.
What do you think of this?
Well, if they're done, I'm done.
Ammo over here!
They're here! You're in big trouble once I get the bullets back in the gun!
Be making your way to their headquarters. That's where they're broadcasting their messages. I need you to get down there and flatten the place. Oh, and while you're at it, keep an eye out for Tala's brother, Derek. You should know what he looks like. He was the one that saved your asses back at the prison.
Wait, the kid that popped out of the ground like the freaking gopher was Tala's brother? Man, I feel like a total jerk.
Wanna fight? There's leftovers.
Does that sound what I think it is?
Leftovers!
It'll all be over soon, Kyle.
Something's ahead. Could come out on the other side with a ton of supplies. Survive.
Cruiser, yeah!
Check your fire!
Oh, shit! Sorry!
Hey!
Yeah!
Propane tank. Leftovers here!
Follow me and you'll be just fine. Or we can follow you. Guys? Not sure if you noticed where we are.
Fuck around here and we will find out. Trust.
If we do see something, we'll handle it. Always do.
Man, you are ugly!
Dirt shithead! Told you those things were useful.
Really, really talented at turning trash into, well, anything!
Learned from the best. My own grandpa. Every summer I'd come out and we'd spend hours in the garage restoring some rust bucket. Got real good at using my hands.
So, how'd you go from that to becoming a firefighter?
Both are in my blood. But I wanted to save people more than I wanted to save things. And that's why I'm out here with you.
Ooh, shiny! out of people!
Need to reload!
Get in him!
Time to take a turn.
Need to reload!
That was close. That does not sound good.
Over there.
What's up with that?
Why are we still down here? Stuff's bleeding all over the place!
Not bad. Gave them a run for their money that time.
Razor wire.
Scared? They better be.
Better them than us.
Your asses goodbye! The head! Shoot the head!
Please be something kick-ass!
That's some intel.
Yeah!
Doc, over here! Found something for your gun barrel.
Better make your peace.
Careful, we got a sploder!
We could turn that into something nice.
Skull totem if you want.
Is that a... Oh, hell no! It's a fucking human skull! Back!
Come on!
Weirdest neighborhood potluck I've ever been to.
Normally I'd say don't look down, but look down!
Shit draws up like flies.
Right out,
chopper! Never thought there'd be a thing as too much attention. Laser wire.
Stalker!
Ooh, shiny! Hey, we survived! Come on, give me something good!
What's that?
I deserve it!
Intel!
Got tools here.
Today is my lucky day! Which is good because it's been a shitty week.